This is your complete guide to setting up the PayPal payment gateway in easy digital downloads. We'll cover every setting inside EDD, from your first connection to sandbox testing before you go live. This walkthrough assumes you already have easy digital downloads installed and activated on your site. You'll also need a PayPal business account. Personal accounts aren't supported by this gateway, so make sure you have a business account before you start. One more requirement. Your site needs a valid SSL certificate. PayPal won't process payments without one. To connect your account, go to your WordPress dashboard and head to Downloads, then Settings, then Payments. Click over into the PayPal tab. Before you click anything, make sure pop-ups are enabled in your browser because PayPal's onboarding opens in a pop-up window. Now select the Connect with PayPal button. PayPal will walk you through signing in or creating your account. When it's finished, click the Return button to come back to your site. That last click matters. Skipping it can leave your connection half finished. Once you're back, the connection status panel tells you exactly where things stand. It confirms your merchant account is connected, whether you're ready to accept payments, and whether card payments and vaulting have been approved by PayPal. It also shows your webhook status. If anything looks incomplete, click Refresh Merchant Status. PayPal's approvals can take a few minutes to come through, and that button pulls in the latest state. There's also a disconnect button here if you ever need to start over. One PayPal connection gives your customers a lot more than just PayPal. Scroll down to Payment Methods. The PayPal button itself stays on, since it's the primary way customers pay through this gateway. From there, you can add Apple Pay and Google Pay for supported devices, Pay Later to show Pay in 4 and PayPal credit options, and Fastlane, which gives returning buyers a one-tap card checkout. Venmo is available to US merchants that PayPal has approved for it. You also get 2 card options, and the difference matters. Credit and debit cards via PayPal takes the payment through PayPal's own flow. Credit and debit cards on checkout puts card fields directly on your checkout page. Turn on the ones you want, then click Save Changes. And if PayPal hasn't enabled a method on your account, you won't be able to switch it on here. Connecting PayPal doesn't switch it on by itself. Head to the General tab, and under Active Gateways, toggle PayPal on. If you want it selected automatically at checkout, set it as your default gateway. Then click Save Changes. PayPal uses webhooks to send updates back to your store, like a refund you issued from inside PayPal. Easy Digital Downloads creates that webhook for you automatically when you connect, so there's usually nothing to do here. Webhooks aren't required to take payments, but they keep your order records accurate. For extra safety, you can add a fallback using PayPal's older notification system. In your PayPal account, open account settings from the gear icon, then go to Notifications and click Update next to Instant Payment Notifications. Enter your site's address followed by $EDD listener equals EPPE, turn on Receive IPN messages, and save. If a webhook ever fails to deliver, this catches it. Before you test, you'll need PayPal Sandbox Accounts. Go to developer.paypal.com and sign in, then open Testing Tools and choose Sandbox Accounts. You need 2 of them, a business account, which stands in for your store, and a personal account, which stands in for your customer. PayPal generates both with default passwords you can view or change right on that page. Keep those handy because you'll use them in the next step. Now head back to Downloads, then Settings, then Payments, and turn on Test Mode under the General tab. Your PayPal connection is tied to the mode you're in. So with Test Mode on, go back to the PayPal tab and connect again using your Sandbox business account. Then visit the front end of your store and place a real test order, paying with your Sandbox personal account. Watch for the confirmation page and check that the order shows up under Downloads, then Orders. Once your test order goes through, you're ready for real payments. Go to the General tab, turn Test Mode off, and save. Then check the PayPal tab one more time. You should see your live account still connected, since the connection you made earlier is separate from the Sandbox one. Confirm your payment methods are still the ones you want, and you're live. And that's everything you need to run PayPal with confidence in easy digital downloads. For the full written setup doc, visit the PayPal setup guide linked in the description. For more gateway walkthroughs, check out our Accepting Payments playlist, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.